In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Bitcoin on Mitrade app. So the first thing you want to do, you want to tap on the trade button at the bottom. And from here at the top, you can see the search box, tap on that, and you want to type in Bitcoin. Now, when you do that, press on search at the bottom right, and it's going to find Bitcoin over here. Now, as you can see, the first one is Bitcoin USD, BTC USD. I'm just going to tap on that, and it's going to open up this chart over here where I can basically see how Bitcoin is doing. Now here, of course, you can swipe through the chart and see basically how it's doing. You could go ahead and analyze this if you want to. And then at the bottom, you can see strategies, you can see different data on Bitcoin, etc. And if you want to start trading it, at the very bottom, it says buy or sell. Now, you want to tap on the buy button or the sell button, depending on what you want to do, either buy or sell. So I'm going to tap on the buy button now, but then it's going to pop you in over here into the order panel where you can basically set again if you want to sell or buy at the top. So it doesn't really matter which one you tap over here on this first page because you can change it in here. Now, after you select buy or sell, in here you'll be able to select your order type. So the order type can be either market or pending. A market order will basically buy or sell at the latest current price of the market. But if you do a pending order, with this you can basically select the limit. So here, of course, this is like a limit order. You can select to buy or sell when the price hits a specific price. So here, for example, if I wanted to buy at $87,303.80, I could, of course, create a limit order like that, and it's going to purchase whenever Bitcoin hits that price, okay? Which is quite nice in case you are trying to do that right now. But for me, I'm just going to go to market really quickly. There we go. And then here you have your quantity. So you have to select the quantity in lots over here, select how much you want, and then your leverage. So I'm just going to do one leverage over here. And then here you can see the margin required and then the available, and you can set your take profits down here if you want to. You could set your stop losses by tapping on them. There we go. Or a trailing stop, completely up to you. I'm just going to not do that right now. And then you can tap on the buy button at the bottom, and it's going to perform that order. Now, of course, you can do the same in the sell order. As you can see, I just did that, and you can customize it pretty much the same way. So you have the order type, quantity, and then you can select leverages and take profits, stop losses, etc. Okay, that's basically how you trade Bitcoin on the Mitrade app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.